It's pouring rain here. Did you get wet? Did you get wet? What is it? Claire, Ian. She has started responding to Claire. It's working. It didn't descend. It shouldn't have respond to Ian either. It's pouring off the roof. It's just coming down in buckets. Little kids are still a little afraid of the rain. When it started, I was in the little kids' room, and Locke came running to me, clinging to my leg for dear life. No crying, just wanting to make sure that someone knew that something was happening. All right, that's enough of the rain.